Today, I'll walk you through what Cloudflare is and how to improve speed and security on your site, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to leverage Cloudflare's features to enhance your website's performance and protect it from threats, so you can provide a better experience for your visitors. To start, let's understand what Cloudflare is. Think of it as a protective shield for your website, much like a security guard at a concert, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and safely. Cloudflare offers services that enhance website speed and security, making it an essential tool for any website owner. Now let's dive into our first step. Head over to Cloudflare's tips on how to improve website speed. This resource is packed with valuable information that can help you identify areas for improvement. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the principles remain the same visual cue. Next, we'll review how to test your website's performance. Tools like Google Lighthouse and Cloudflare Observatory are excellent for measuring how well your site performs. They provide insights into loading times and potential bottlenecks. Understanding your current performance is crucial as it sets the baseline for your improvement's visual cue. Moving on to our third step, let's explore the speed recommendations provided by Cloudflare. They suggest several strategies to enhance your website's performance. These include optimizing images, reducing HTTP requests, and using browser caching. Additionally, removing unnecessary JavaScript and limiting external scripts can significantly speed up your site. Lastly, consider reducing redirects and minifying your CSS and JavaScript files. Implementing these recommendations is like tuning a musical instrument. Each adjustment brings you closer to a harmonious performance visual cue. Now let's review how Cloudflare can help you achieve these improvements. Cloudflare provides fast DNS services, which means your website can resolve domain names quickly. They also offer content delivery through a CDN or content delivery network, which helps serve your site's content to users from the nearest server, reducing load times. Furthermore, Cloudflare optimizes images and mobile performance, ensuring that your site looks great on all devices. Importantly, they provide DDoS protection and shield your site from common malicious bots, keeping your website safe from attacks visual cue. In conclusion, using Cloudflare can significantly enhance both the speed and security of your website. By following these steps, you can ensure that your site runs efficiently and remains protected from various online threats. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.